By 2030, the world will look very different. We can expect to see next-generation technological solutions such as smart cities, augmented reality, and the metaverse come to life and create new opportunities across various industries. However, for these solutions to succeed, service providers in the UK and beyond must ensure that the network has capacity to support these innovations. There are 5 major ways in which network infrastructure will need to change by 2030 to make this vision of a seamlessly interconnected world a reality. First of all, networks will need to transition to the cloud in order to become more flexible and efficient. Rather than using dedicated hardware for specific network functions like routing traffic, these can be virtualized and run in the cloud on common off-the-shelf hardware. Transitioning to cloud native will allow service providers to implement closed-loop automation, scale network resources dynamically, handle varying workloads efficiently, and accommodate traffic spikes. Secondly, openness and collaboration will be required to foster innovation. For instance, Vodafone has committed that by 2030, 30% of their mobile sites across Europe will be deployed using Open RAN technology. This shows that the ecosystem of vendors and partners is expanding to include new players alongside traditional vendors. It is expected that by 2030, service providers will mix and match components from various vendors to create customized networks, enhancing innovation and customer outcomes. The third way in which the networks need to change is shifting away from traditional hub-and-spoke network architectures. Many next-generation solutions will require ultra-low latency networks and the ability to handle large volumes of demanding traffic, which will require more distributed data centers beyond traditional hubs. Edge computing will challenge today's hub-and-spoke model, requiring local peering to reduce data travel distances, improve efficiency, and minimize latency. The fourth way will require fiber providers to shift their focus from fiber build-out to customers connected. By 2030, the average UK household may have access to 6 or more fiber connections driven by government initiatives like Project Gigabit and competition among incumbents and alternative network providers. As the market reaches a state of overbuild, leading to lower than expected customer levels and revenue margins, some providers will look to sell off fiber in overbuilt areas, consolidate with competitors, as well as explore demand for edge connectivity to boost revenue streams. Finally, network-as-a-service models will allow on-demand adjustments of the network. By 2030, many service providers will adopt this business model, enhancing consumer applications like cloud gaming through high-performance networks. They will need to expose network APIs to developers for real-time network information, enabling applications to interact with and instruct networks based on their needs. Overall, the future of networking will be marked by a paradigm shift towards openness, collaboration, and innovation. Service providers who adopt these principles and invest in required new infrastructure will be well positioned to support the next generation of digital solutions.